I'm giving you options, so you can pick any of those lotions and choose as your base. You need 300 ml base. Yes, you need 300 ml base. We can be your pure Egyptian lotion. It can be your organic 300 ml strong whitening organic base from the organic store. You can also use Pujon lotion. Yes, we have Pujon lotion, so you can use either pure Egyptian lotion, Pujon lotion, or even Easy Glow lotion. Any of these three lotions are very good, like they are very good whitening lotions on their own. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this video for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we'll film about skincare product review, supplement review, DIYs, body enhancement product, anything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you'd like to know about, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time once I drop a new video. Today a subscriber requested that I make an half-cast lotion, so I decided to grant that request. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make an half-cast lotion. I mean a very good whitening lotion, and the one that is very safe for your skin. I won't be dwelling much on this talk. I will just dive straight into today's episode. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a half-cast lotion. To make this half-cast lotion, you need a already strong whitening lotion as a base. Yes, already strong whitening lotion, you can get that from the market. The list I have here, just so someone can come tell me that I couldn't get this lotion, can I substitute with this lotion? I'm going to be listing a lot of lotions that you can substitute with this lotion. So the first thing you need is your base, your 300 ml base. It can be a strong base from the organic shop. It can be pure Egyptian lotion. I'm giving you options, so you can pick any of those lotions and choose as your base. You need 300 ml base. Yes, you need 300 ml base. We can be your pure Egyptian lotion. It can be your organic 300 ml strong whitening organic base from the organic store. You can also use Pujon lotion. Yes, we have Pujon lotion, so you can use either pure Egyptian lotion, Pujon lotion, or even Easy Glow lotion. Any of these three lotions are very good, like they are very good whitening lotions on their own. But because you're making an half-cast lotion from this recipe, you need that lotion before adding any other additives. So you need 300 ml of any of this lotion I just mentioned. So after that, you also need your kojic permutate 1 tablespoon. You need your glycerin 1 tablespoon. You need skin free milk 2 tablespoons. You need Labijanis tube. Yes, they're always saying tube is kind of not always good for the skin, but depends on how you use the tube. You don't want to abuse tubes, you don't want to use it the wrong way. But since you want a fast result from this half-cast cream, you'll be needing your Labijanis tube cream. You'll be adding 3 tablespoons of your Labijanis tube inside the recipe. 3 tablespoons of your Labijanis tube inside the recipe. And you need Arbutin serum. If you can't get Arbutin serum, you can substitute with alpha arbutin powder 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon alpha arbutin powder, 1 teaspoon alpha arbutin powder. And the last thing you'll be needing is your preservative. Yeah, this recipe is a very simple recipe, but yet you need to know how to mix this. The first thing, like I said, is your base, organic base, which is the 300 ml of your organic base. You'll be adding your glycerin, 1 tablespoon of your glycerin. You add your kojic permutate 1 tablespoon into the glycerin. You mix very well to make a paste. Kojic permutate is a powder, and you don't want to add it directly to your tube, to your lotion, so you don't have lumps in it. So once you get your kojic permutate, get 1 tablespoon of your glycerin to mix into the kojic permutate to have a paste form. Then you pour into your lotion, mix very well. Do the same thing for alpha arbutin powder. if you're using the powder. But if you're using the serum, you don't need to dilute with anything. Just pour directly 1 tablespoon of your serum into your lotion. But if you're using the powder, dilute with the glycerin as well to make a paste form. Pour into your lotion, stir very well, then add your tubes. If you want extra results from this lotion, you can add 1 full tube of Labijanis tube. You understand what I'm saying? If you want extra results from this lotion, you can add all your Labijanis tube into this mixture. But if you don't want an extra too much effect from it, you can use the 3 tablespoons, like I instructed, 3 tablespoons of your Labijanis tube. Then you add your skin-free milk, 2 tablespoons as well, and there you add your preservative. You need just 1 teaspoon of your preservative, and you mix this very well. There you go, you have your half cast whitening lotion. This lotion, you will start seeing results from it in the space of 2 weeks. Yes, this is not something you see results in within 1 week. This lotion, you start seeing a good result from it in the space of 2 weeks, and you'll be glad with the results you get from this recipe. So if this video has been helpful so far, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Until next time, see you guys. Bye. Peace out.